What's cracking, everybody? This is the Chaos Dubs channel. I'm your host Chaos, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review video of this Husqvarna 120 Mark II chainsaw. Let's get started. Alright folks, so my pops gave me a nice gift last night. I was talking about this chainsaw from the weekend, and my buddy Bear has one, and it just blew my mind. So today we're going to do an unboxing and review video. Crack that open. Alright, so looks like we got our instruction manual here. A little bit of two-stroke oil, which is awesome. And in here we have our chainsaw tool, a quick start guide, some basic instructions, and of course the saw. Alright, there it is. Now, this saw, it's pretty cool, guys. It's 38 cc's. It's got the X torque motor on it. It's got a 16-inch bar. It has a primer, which is pretty cool. So super easy to start. As you can see with all the plastic bits it's shaving off, the chain is super sharp. It's a nice little saw. So what can I say about it? I mean, we used it this weekend and it outperformed my Husqvarna 61 by miles. It eats my 61 for breakfast, folks. I'm super stoked on this. It's a great little saw. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison here pretty shortly with the 61 versus this little guy. And I think you guys are going to be super impressed. It's a fun little saw. Now, this saw also comes with a blade cover, which is fantastic. And it features a nice locking handle. Works really smooth, clicks super solid. Another interesting thing I like about this saw is when you put the choke on, it automatically puts your fuel, or not your fuel, but your engine in the start position. And then when you click the trigger, your choke automatically goes off, which is absolutely fantastic. I have nothing but good things to say about this saw so far. I've only used my buddy's. He had a different bar and chain on than here. I might upgrade to 18-inch bar and chain in the future. But as for now, let's go outside and test this out. Alright, so we're back. We got the Husqvarna 61. This is from the late 80s, early 90s. We got the new Husqvarna 120 Mark II. And we got Bear. He's going to be joining us for these tests today. So right now we're filling up the saws with some gas and oil. This one's never been filled before. This one's still got some gas from the weekend. We're gonna put some bar oil in there, and we're gonna get this test started. All right, now we're gonna go to the backyard, start these up, and do a cut test. All right, so we come around the backyard We're gonna get these saws started up, this one for the first time. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna make some cuts on this big piece of wood here. It's not huge, but it's big enough. Should do for what we need. On it, yep. Hard to start.
It's just like mine.
Brand new engine though, so it's not to be
just like
too surprised. Yeah. Alright, we'll give her a shot.
It's got fuel. It's just like mine that way. Mine doesn't want to go all the time.
She just wants to be primed more, I think, being a brand new engine.
Yeah, just needs to be wet.
Alright. Even idle. Exactly. Let her warm up for a minute. Does have a brake on it. That's pretty cool. The Inertia Brake, it's called.
Oh, yeah, it's like, yeah.
Hmm.
Is this one with mine?
It could be poor jetting, right?
On the weekend there, the second time I ran mine.
A few moments later.
Definitely wants the tuning a little bit. A little idle adjustment maybe. A lot of torque. Alright, we're going to start with the Husqvarna 61. This is an old saw. It's a good workhorse. Alright, now we're going to go with the Husqvarna 120 Mark II. This thing eats a 61 for breakfast, folks. I can't say good enough things about this saw. So this saw has a primer, unlike most saws, which helps you get it going a little easier. I believe it needs a idle adjustment. That's cool though, we will get to that. This was our first startup. Yep. And so another cool thing about this saw, when you pull the choke up, it automatically turns your engine on into the run position. When you hit the throttle, the choke goes away for you. It's pretty cool, it's all automatic. Also, as I was mentioning, there's the inertia brake in there. So once it stops moving, it stops moving. It's great, super safe, folks. Alright, so to do a recap here, folks, the Husqvarna 120 Mark II is a great little saw. It doesn't weigh much, it's really easy to carry around, it has a great chain speed, it revs really good as well. What else can I say about it? I mean, I don't have enough good things to say about this saw. You're going to see a lot more videos of us using it and it being a good little workhorse. It's not designed for extended periods of cutting, although it will do the job if you need it to. It's going to need to cool for a lot longer. The 61 can run like all day. That's what it's meant for. But it is a lot heavier. It's a lot more unwieldy. It's a lot harder to carry. It's a lot harder to hold when you're using it. And it's definitely just an older saw. You know, it could definitely use some love on the 61, as I mentioned before there. But I'll tell you, the 120 is definitely going to be a nice little backup saw. A nice little piece of redundancy kit to make sure that we're going to have the wood we need when we're out there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you next time. What a great little toy.
That's why I got one.
Husqvarna all the way.